Hey everyone, Rad Ryder here. Welcome to another video. It's April 2026. The riding season has begun for this year, so let's get the bike ready. So I got the Weaver's motorcycle chuck that I have bolted to the concrete, and that's where I park my car usually. But for long-term storage over the winter, I also put this piece of carpet uh, for the back wheel, just so the wheel doesn't get like a flat spot for sitting on the concrete for like 6 months. Let me know what you guys think about this, or if I should try something else. Maybe if I should invest in like motorcycle stand. So the first thing I'll do today is put the battery in. This was low in charge, so I charged it last night. Okay, let's take off the bracket that holds the battery down. Okay, let's put the battery in, connect the terminals. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure they're nice and snug. Put the bracket back in. The seat back in. So this was sitting in storage for 8 months. Let's do a cold start. So in today's video, I'm gonna make two upgrades to this bike. The first one is a kickstand extender. So this basically goes, the kickstand goes inside this, then you put the cover on it. It basically gives more surface area to the kickstand, helps with stability. And then I also have this guard for the radiator. Now this upgrade is more of a preference, but this one I think this is a must. You need that, because this bike has a large radiator here. Usually get a lot of bugs that get stuck inside the fins, and also you can get chips or small rocks hitting the radiator and then damaging it. So having a cover on top of this, I think it's a must. And they already gave you the brackets for the bolts. So I lifted the bike, I cleaned the kickstand, and then I put the kickstand inside the extender. Now we just put the cover on and then put the bolts on. Okay, so I put the screws on. Now let's test it out. So it's giving the kickstand more surface area to rest on. Pretty stable. Okay, to easily access this bracket on the radiator, I'm gonna take this radiator cover off on the left and this cover on the right. It's just 2 Allen head screws on this side and 2 on this side. Okay, now let's install the cover. Okay, so the cover's on. Now we just need to put the 2 side radiator covers and it will be done. Okay, that was all for today. If you guys enjoyed content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel and see you guys later.